Hello Craig, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2004 Porsche 911, which has just below 90,000 kilometers on it. Price is 34,888 plus HST and licensing. The vehicle is in perfect condition. It comes fully certified. We did the oil change as well. The service regarding the IMS bearing, unfortunately I don't have any records. I can't tell you even if it was done. I simply don't know, and that's why I can't really confirm it was done or not. The roof works, it's in really good shape. It has very small marks, I guess mostly it was closed, so you know it has a little wear, but it does not go through any water or something. So I've had the car in a car wash. There's the glass window there, however it's locked right now. So it's a 6-speed manual transmission, black leather. The interior is very clean as well. Here's the tire condition. It's a new tires on it, as you see, Continental. The brakes are perfect. I drove the car myself, so it drives just excellent. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you, or just come in and take a look, check the vehicle in person. Thank you.